Jaod bura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro okwayo jopiny mondo luw chike ma pachoka kaka yor nyayo kido makare e kind oganda. Ndindi nomedo ni masira mar mach e sikund nyiri ma utumishi en achiel kuom gigo manyiso ni kido kod tim makare tinde rumo e kind ogandawa. Oloso e kinde nyasi ma jiwo somo midendo ni masomo bora manohingi e sikund sekondari ma Mugoiri, kama owacho ni siasa osebedo kimiyo pek ahinya, chal ma ok chiw thuolo ne oganda rango makare gigo machiwo puonj ne oganda e wi yore mag dak gi jowetegi e yor achiel kod winjruok.
I challenge all of us as a Republic of Kenya. It is time we recalibrate our national values. Whatever we are seeing in our schools is communicating something about the values that we have as Kenyans. And right from school, it is important to avoid the kind of things that are happening. Even as we do remedial measures to curb them, it is time now to know that we need one overarching values as a country. Kwa sababu hii mambo ya kuchoma shule na ya migomo, we have seen it most of the second terms. And clearly, it is not isolated. There is something we can learn about that trend. And one thing that comes out very clearly, we have abandoned our values.
I'm advising the principals who are here, that if you detect any tension, don't wait. Just cross the school so that we avoid this burning of our schools. At the same time, I want to appeal to our students, don't be copycats. Don't